Here at VCG Construction, we make the videos that you want, and we try to make the tool deals that you want to happen. You were in the mood for Japanese, and so was I. Delicious. After some twisting of arms, we have a whole bunch of Makita deals right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. In this season of giving, could you find it in your heart to head over to our merch store and pick up a hat, hoodie, or t-shirt? They make great presents. Please? Link will be in the description below. Welcome back. My name is Vince, and these are the Makita deals you've been asking for. Now, here's the deal. Some of these are already running and will go until New Year's Eve or until quantities run out. But I'm gonna sprinkle in some deals that are gonna run for a short time with specific dates, so make sure your ear holes are open and the volume is turned up, cause you ain't gonna wanna miss these. Links are in the description to follow along. First up, we have the LXT 4 amp hour starter kit that includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $179. Grab it and you'll get your choice of one of these bare tools. Here's the deal. Usually I wait till the end, but I know you're gonna get all fired up about these deals, and you may forget that if you enjoy the content, please smash the like button. It's absolutely free. It helps out the channel immensely and lets me know that you like the tool deals and I should make more. And back to the deals. Makita has their upright LED area light marked all the way down to $399. They have a 6-tool combo marked down to $299. That's a $200 savings. You can save $150 on either their 18-inch push mower or 21-inch self-propelled. They're both kits. Full disclosure, they cut a beautiful lawn, but run through batteries real quick. You've been warned. Dang, this is one of my favorites. Grab Makita's most powerful hammer drill and impact driver combo for $399 and get an additional 5 amp hour battery and your choice of one of these 3 bare tools. They got a 2-pack shaker, 3 amp hour batteries at $99. Pick up their brushless hammer drill and impact driver kit for $249 and get your choice of one of these 4 bare tools. Makita has a 21-degree framer. It's pneumatic at $149, or a coil roofer, pneumatic, at $199. Limited quantities. For the very cool gang that watch all the way through and don't skip ahead, we have a Black Friday through Cyber Monday deal, cause I want the most loyal to score this deal. It's an 18-volt LXT 8-tool combo kit for $399. Limited quantities. I warn you, I was going to sprinkle them in. They got a 3-piece combo kit that includes a recip saw for $379, marked down from $429, and you'll get your choice of one of these bare tools. Here's another favorite of mine, Makita's brand new 18-volt LXT lithium-ion subcompact brushless cordless Starlock Max multi-tool, marked down to $199. And they're gonna throw in this LED flashlight. This one is sick. Limited quantities. Makita has their brushless 4-tool combination that includes a flashlight for $429, which is pretty much their 3-tool combo that includes their $55 flashlight, depending on where you buy it online, but only charge you $50 more, so it's a win. Next up, we got a 7¼ Circ Saw deal, $249, your choice, right line of sight or the rear handle left line of sight. Quite frankly, if you choose the right line of sight, you're wrong. Right is wrong. Either way, you'll get your choice of one of these 4 bare tools. Makita is running a crowd promo favorite. It's their 4-tool subcompact combo kit that includes a circular saw at $299. We have another sprinkle for Black Friday through Cyber Monday only deal. It's the LXT string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit, marked down to $199, limited quantities. Here is a huge deal from Makita. They're really looking to push X-Lock, which is an interface for grinders and their attachments. It will make you faster and safer. No more needing 10 grinders laid out on a bench with different wheels, and no more over-tightening attachments, which can be a huge hazard. X-Lock can make you faster and more productive, which means it'll make you more money. With all that being said, they're running a huge promo so that you'll give it a try. It works like this. Spend $399.95 on X-Lock accessories that are already discounted, and they're going to give you 2 additional 4.5-inch turbo rim diamond wheels with a Makita X-Lock grinder for free. This has become my go-to grinder. It doesn't get any easier than that.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.